century AD. In the 1st century AD, who was there? Yes, and the Buddhism disappeared from the land of its birth, and it continued to hold the ground in the countries of South Asia and East Asia. और ये आज भी ग्रो करे जा रहा है, South Asia as well as in the other Southeast Asia and East Asia. Southeast already there, East Asia भी अब आ ही चुका है सारा. So I said that we can be able to see spread of Buddhism, and now we'll see the decline of Buddhism. By the 12th century AD, Buddhism became practically extinct. Who has attacked at the 12th century AD? 8th century AD, Muhammad bin Qasim. 10th century, Mahmud Ghazni, and then Muhammad Ghori, 1200. The 12th century, after the Muhammad Ghori, Delhi Sultanate came. And then I said that Buddhism became practically extinct in India, and it became a victim to the evils of Brahmanism against which had fought in the beginning. तो जो ब्राह्मण के अगेंस्ट वर्णा सिस्टम एंड ऑल, तो धीरे धीरे आप जब महानास कर लिए एंड महानास में लोग ऑफरिंग करने लगेंगे, तो सिंपली द लोअर क्लास पीपल फिर अगेन दे विल स्टार्ट नॉट कमिंग टू द, एंड दे विल स्टार्ट गिविंग मोर रिस्पेक्ट टू द व्हाट हायर क्लास पीपल एंड लेस स्लोली. तो वो क्या हो गया, वो उनके ही बातों में फंस गए. एंड देन ब्राह्मणस ने क्या किया, दे स्टार्टेड स्प्रेडिंग लव एंड अफेक्शन एंड दिस इज द गॉड एंड ऑल. तो वो उन्होंने चेंज कर दिया अपने पूरी वैदिक सिस्टम को, एंड देन कंप्लीटली सो पीपल स्टार्टेड व्हाट इज डाइवर्टिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड. सो आई सेड it became a victim to the evils of Brahmanism against which had fought in the beginning. Gradually the Buddhist monks were cut off from the mainstream of the peoples. पहले आप किसी के साथ कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं, फिर उसके बाद आप मिलते ही नहीं. Yes, I said that you have to, this is when a Sangha has been made that you have to meet with the so many people. Yes or no? There is technically there should be a strong number of people, those who can what is deliver the things to the people. लोग आ रहे हैं, अब आपसे तो आप यदि धीरे धीरे में आप क्या हो जाएंगे, यदि ऊपर जा रहे हो तो this knowledge should be also given to the down one, those who can also. इसीलिए तो हमने क्या देखा, विनय पिटका, and there is a Sutta Pitaka is talking about what is it is given sutras and formulas, and the suttas for whom it is yes, tell me, Buddhas and their what is companions and his, ये सारे लोगों के पास रहेगा, and it will go to the everyone. इन्होंने ये डिलीवर किया था ना, yes or not? And they have to follow, everyone has to follow, then that can be. Sutras का मतलब क्या है, सूत्र क्या करता है, what it does, resolve your problems. ये क्यों डिस्कोर्स दे रहे थे, why he was giving discourse, ऐसे ही heavy useless, worthless, resolving the problem. Yes, तो सूत्र पिटाका, I said that. और स्लोली एंड स्लोली अब देना ही बंद कर दोगे आप, केवल जो चीजें थी, it has been stopped, then automatically the people get cut off, and you started what is it? The Buddhist monks were cut off from the mainstream of the people's life, and they gave up Pali. और साथ में उन्होंने क्या किया, cut off and then gave up Pali, the language of the people, and took Sanskrit, the language of the intellectuals. Feeling आने लग गई कि हम लोग intellectual नहीं है, feeling आने लग गई. Yes. So what the Brahmanas has done, the same thing they started doing. And then Buddhism was internally reformed, stressing upon love, affection, devotion. Yes. Then again Brahmanical started coming into. And from the 1st century AD, Buddhists practiced idol worship. 1st century AD में ये हो ना, Mahayana and Hinayana. So they started doing what? Idol worship on a large scale, and they received numerous offerings from, and that making again detachment of this, what is normal people, local people, to what is detached from your mainstreams. And then I said that entry of women in the Buddhist Sangha. तो जब भी बुद्धिस्ट संघ होगा तो एंट्री वुमन होता है, तो थोड़ा कहीं ना कहीं फाइट एंड ऑल डिफरेंट थिंग्स हैपन. जरूरी नहीं है कि सही चीजों, कुछ ना कुछ गलत भी हो सकता है. एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्लोली द बुद्धिस्ट व्हाट वन वॉल स्टार्टेड कमिंग. लाइफ में कोई चीज सस्टेन कर ही नहीं सकता है. One day it will has to, or that will be due to some defects. That will be due to some, and that is an attack of Huna king in the 6th century AD. Guptas was patronizing. Guptas कब से थे? 380 to 550 AD, and they have supported. ऐसा नहीं है कि they have not supported. They have supported. And then the Turkish invaders invading in the 12th century AD, the rapid accession of बुद्धिज्म। और उस समय केवल अब कौन सा रह रहा था, वज्रायना वाज एग्जिस्टिंग बट इट वाज नॉट एन एक्चुअल बुद्धिज्म। यस और नॉट? इट इज इन विच बेस्ड ऑन तांत्रिसिज्म, मैजिकल पावर्स एंड ऑल। क्लियर? उसमें तारा देवी वाज गोइंग टू बी वर्शिप्ड। वज्रायना में हु वाज गोइंग टू बी वर्शिप्ड? तारा देवी। अंडरस्टूड इट? सो कंट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ बुद्धिज्म ने क्या दिया? सो मेनी थिंग्स है। यहाँ पे आप अपने नोट्स में आप आर्ट एंड कल्चर करे होंगे तो आपको द कंसेप्ट ऑफ अहिंसा was its chief contribution. Later it became the one of the what? Cherished values of our nation. Who has made this cherished value? Gandhi. From which? From where? गांधी ने कहाँ स्टार्ट किया? मुझे साउथ अफ्रीका से क्या मतलब है, इंडिया की बात करो। चंपारण सत्याग्रह, where it is? First experiment with Satyagraha at Champaran. First experiment. And after that he got the success. And when he got the success, what happened? The value of Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Annie Besant and every extremist, जितने सब थे उनकी वैल्यू डाउन हो गई। एंड देन हु इज नाउ? किसके पीछे भीड़ है? गांधी। अंडरस्टूड? दिस इज द कॉज ऑफ व्हाट? बाल गंगाधर तिलक। पहले बाल गंगाधर तिलक वो आ रहे थे, जेल चले गए। पहला तो स्प्लिट हुआ 1987-98, फिर देन देयर इज अगेन वो जेल जाने के बाद फिर ही कैम अगेन रिवाइव एंड देन विद द व्हाट इज एन होम रूल मूवमेंट एंड एनी बेसेंट एंड ही वाज गेटिंग एवरीवेयर थ्रू आउट द इंडिया ही मूव्ड and lots of what is an appreciation and the support he has got. Suddenly the Gandhi came and then scene changed. Understood? And the non-violence की वजह से extremist has not been also supported by the Congress. Extremist जिसको कहा जाता है, it is also. So I say that the non-violence who has given to us? Buddha. Yes or not? वैसे non-violence कहाँ पे है? Jainism में भी है. I said that its contribution to the art and architecture, लेकिन बुद्धा ने दिया। क्यों दिया? अशोका। अशोका followed whom? Buddha. Therefore I said that there is an what? It has been given by Buddha. Stupas at Sanchi in Raisen. तो आपने कई जगह स्तूपा देखा। तक्षशिला you have seen, that is an yes, पिपरवा you have seen, बोधगया you have seen, बरहुत you have seen, सांची you have seen, नागार्जुन कोंडा at several places. So many things. ये सब चीज आपको उसके सामने बच्चा लगेगा that what we have done. And then Bharut Stupa at Satna, Stupas at Sanchi in Raisen. And thereafter said that Gaya was wonderful piece of architecture. Buddhists take the credit for the Chaityas and Viharas थोड़ा थोड़ा बनाए different parts of India. And then the Chaityas maximum आप कहाँ देखोगे? That is in Maharashtra. And that these are the आप लोग कौन सी जगह Chaityas आपने? महाराष्ट्र में कौन सा है? This is right, नासिक, पित्तलखोरा, नासिक, पित्तलखोरा. And then I said that Junnar, and then this is in a Bhaja and Karle, and this is in a Kondana. क्या बात है, याद है सर? Yes. तो these are the famous Chaityas. नासिक, कौन कौन से थे? नासिक, ये सारा मेंशन किया गया। केवल दिखा रहा हूँ कि नासिक आप लोग किस चीजों को मिस किए हो, उसके लिए आप लोग यदि मैं वीडियो लेक्चर स्टार्ट करूंगा तो then you can join and you can get the benefit. So many things are there. I said that Nasik, this is औरंगाबाद में क्या है? पीतलखोरा. What is there? और उसके बाद मैंने बोला था जॉन इब्राहिम ने क्या किया? कौन काम कर रहा है? भाजा खिला रहा है, भाजी खिला रहा है सबको। भाजी खा ले, भाजी खा ले। क्या कर रहा है जॉन इब्राहिम? जॉन इब्राहिम भाजी खिला रहा है, खा ले कार ले। एंड देन उसका खानदान भी अब ये काम कर रहा है, कोंडाना। एंड विहारास में क्या करना है आपको? खानदान को हटा देना है, जुन्नार को हटा देना है, एंड देन पित्तलखोरा के साथ साथ ये खुद ही अपने आप में अजंता, ये औरंगाबाद में है, बस ये ऐड कर देना है। इसका खानदान खत्म हो गया, जॉन इब्राहिम का खानदान विहारास में हट गया। सो दीज आर द फेमस, आई सेड दैट, and then Bhaja, Karle, all these are what I said that it is in Viharas and Chaityas are the famous in Pune. It is Pune. I said that it promoted, so we have seen several Biharas, it promoted education through the residential university like those at Taxila, Nalanda and Vikramshila. Understood? Here we have been able to see several universities for the education. And then contribution to the literature, it promoted Indian culture, and then noble four, noble truth, eightfold path, middle path. इन्होंने बोला कुछ नहीं करो, neither austerity not luxurious, means middle path. आपने देखा था ना, he said that do not take the property of others. और ये क्या बोलते हैं, do not acquire the property, मतलब बस फिर कैसे होगा. एंड शादी मत करो, ब्रह्मचार्य, फिर तो रह गए लाइफ में. फिर हमें भेजा क्यों था नीचे से ऊपर. So many philosophy come over here. So I said that, therefore he said that you live in a your life should be between luxury and austerity. And then Jaina talking about only where you can have a physical pain, where you can have a. अभी last year आपने देखा था one practice in the Rajasthan, संथारा, नाम सुना था? And that practice in जिसमें लोग बोलते हैं ना कि they need and what is their natural death, कि मैं मरना चाहता हूँ and then I start living what is under the fast and then I die. That has been filed in the court. अच्छा किसी को इसका मतलब किसी को मार दोगे बोलोगे कि मुंह पे ये बंद करके बैठ जाते हैं फिर उसके बाद they started doing it. तो संथारा was highly practiced. Understood? उसी समय मतलब ये लास्ट ईयर का क्वेश्चन था that is related to what is Jainism कि आप मरना चाहते हो this way, तो he followed that middle path. And then you can be able to see that emphasis on values, simple life, high thinking, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको मेंस में काम आएंगे. Differences क्या था between I said that Jainas and Buddhas. There are several points of difference in regard to the fundamental principle of Buddhism and Jainism. The doctrine of Jainism preached how in numerous ways the human body was suffering, can suffer physical torture. They are what is finding the ways to physical torture. But Buddhist religion advocated middle course and the stuck between the rigorous practice of practice and the desire of sensual enjoyment. दोनों के बीच में austerity and luxury. And Buddha is silent about the existence of God. And he did not enter into any discussion about whether the God exists or not, but the Jaina did not recognize the existence of God at all. Both Buddhist, ये सारी चीज आज ही मैंने डिस्कस किया है. I said both Buddhist and Jainas organized Sangha for preaching of their religious teaching, but the Buddhist Sanghas are more scientific and realistic than the Jainas Sangha. It is because of their better organization that they were capable of preaching their religious views over a vast area of the, इसीलिए largest area we have been able to Central Asia, West Asia, East and Southeast, South, everywhere we have been able to reach. And then it is because of their, and the same cheez here, Asoka has also favored. That is the main reason also Asoka has done a whole empire in his hand. Therefore it is able to what? Spread. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि only that rules that the scientific organization that they have. And I said that it is because of their better organization and that they were capable of preaching their religious views over a vast area of the country, and the Jainas lagged behind because of their weak organization. और जैना को दूसरी चीज है कि he is not able to get the best patron. And the both sects have their different holy scripture. The name of the Buddhist scripture is, हमारी बुक्स कौन सी है? बुद्ध हमारी बोल रहा हूँ. बुद्धिज्म की क्या है? त्रिपिटका. एंड देन जैनास का क्या है? अंगा. And according to the Buddhist, that pursuit of Ashtangic mark, and what are the Ashtangic mark? Melodas, makes it possible to what is make to attain nirvana or the emancipation of the world sufferings. And the Jaina says that that is what? Three ratana: right religious belief, and the right knowledge and right conduct. मतलब तुम जैनास पे बिलीव करते रहो, फाइनली इसके अंदर छुपा हुआ सारा जो है ना फिजिकल टॉर्चर वो आ जाएगा. फिर विल बी एबल टू गेट इट. राइट फेथ किस पर? उनके प्रीचिंग्स पर. एंड देन राइट नॉलेज ऑफ प्रीचिंग एंड राइट फेथ इन द महावीरा. As regard the use of dress by the two sects, a difference can be noticed. One of the Jaina sects called the Digambar sect, they remain nude and worship the nude gods, goddesses. But the Buddhists do not like this nudeness, in fact they hate it. क्या है? They remain nude and worship the nude god, and मतलब वो Tirthankaras, यहाँ से Tirthankaras है. Goddesses हटा दो, God लिख दो. But the Buddhists do not like the nudeness, in fact they hate it. The Buddhists worship their saints. And especially it is better to say Bodhisattva. Understood? On the other hand, Jainas worship only 24 Tirthankaras. They are only worshipping, which one I said that? And the result was that while Buddhism earned the distinction of being great world religion, Jainism remained contented and confined to the particular region of India. Which are the region of India? South, West, and these are the major concentration. थोड़ा बहुत ईस्ट में है. Understood? And थोड़ा सा मथुरा. Understood it? Similarities, if you see that, certain similarities between the Buddhism, ये ध्यान में याद भी रख लेंगे क्योंकि ये तो मेंस के लिए भी काम में आ सकता है. And the basis of religion, one of the part of what is in a culture. And then I said आपको प्री में क्या differences है, कैसे छोटी लाइनें देकर. And the religion appeared as a reform movements. I said the certain similarities between the Buddhism and Jainism. Religion cannot escape our observation. The religion appeared as reform movements. Both of them were in favor of the practice of non-violence and averse the caste system. The Varna system ke against they can. Therefore, they have got the support from the Vaishyas, Sudras, and more of Vaisyas to grow. And the Buddha religion opposed the Vedas and superiority of Brahmanas and the Sanskrit and ritualistic ceremonies and their required immolation of animals. Both religions gave much weight to the honest conduct, law of karma, nirvana, and both believed in the democratic organization for the people. Yes? किसके लिए रहेगा ये? किसके लिए? This sanghas are, this Jainism and Buddhism is for the people, and they are itself the part of the by the people, and they will what is it? Make their life better of the people. So I said that we are coming towards what? Mauryas.